A woman walking alone, a coffee cup in her hand, no weapon, no threat, no crime. But to Officer Richard Scavone of Las Vegas Metro, she looked like a prostitute. And that assumption, it set everything in motion. No legal reason, no evidence, just bias. Within minutes, Amanda Vizcarrondo-Ortiz was handcuffed, thrown to the ground, her head slammed twice on a police cruiser, then violently shoved into the car frame. All of it caught on Bodycam. All of it for loitering and littering.
All right, come on over, man. Hey!
What?
Come over here. Get on. Put your hand behind your back.
So what do you?
I got the taser out. Put your hand behind your back. Put your palms together.
How am I supposed to put my palms together if you got my fucking hand?
That's it.
All right.
That's it. I'm gonna dump you on the floor in a minute. Hell, you think you're talking to? Talking to me? Spread your feet.
My feet are straight. Why do you have your hands on my fucking neck? The fuck? Get the fuck off of me. You doing? I don't give a fuck. So what? Take me up and take me to fucking jail. You doing all this extra shit for what? Sit.
Get on your stomach. On your stomach.
I can't. The fuck?
Had enough? You finished?
Get my fucking face on the ground.
You finished?
I'm going to jail fucking recorded.
You finished fighting me?
Off of me.
Are you finished or no?
Yes.
Stand here. Shut up. Understand me? Or no?
I heard you.
Don't move. What else you want to do, tough guy?
Go ahead and take me to jail. That's all I want you to do.
You got it. What do you got here?
That's fine. Don't touch my breath. Ben, what the fuck?
Ever pull away from me?
Everything is fucking being recorded. You're abusing me for no fucking reason. And you know that. I'm not doing shit.
Ever pull away from me? Understand me?
The fuck?
Take it out.
Get off of me!
Take it out.
Don't touch my breath. What the fuck?
What
Get
else you got?
off of me!
What else you got?
Get off of my feet!
Amanda was left with lasting neck and head injuries. Officer Scavone walked free after just 1 year in prison, convicted for depriving her of her rights under color of law. But Amanda isn't staying silent. She's filed a $2.5 million federal lawsuit for excessive force, because justice delayed is still justice demanded, and because no badge should ever cover up another incident. 6 a.m. in a quiet Georgia neighborhood. A hoodie, a backpack, that's all it took. Deputy Michael McMaster rolls up on 30-year-old Tyler Canaris. Walking, not running, calm, not criminal. But in the deputy's eyes, he fit the description. What happens next is as brutal as it is unjust. Tyler refuses to remove his backpack. Not aggressively, not violently, just refuses. And that's when McMaster slams him to the ground. The body cam rolls as bones fracture, an eardrum bursts, and Tyler's world goes black.
Everyone, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Put your hands in your pockets. Turn up, put your hands in it.
Excuse me?
Being detained. I'll take your backpack off. Take your backpack off.
Excuse me, what am I doing?
Take your backpack off.
Can you explain what this is?
Before you go on the ground, take your backpack off.
I'm going to get picked up for work.
Come on. We want to play this game.
Sir,
Put your hands behind your back.
this is my phone.
Put it down.
Can you tell me what's going on?
Just put your hands behind your back before you end up on the ground.
My phone. Hello?
You're being detained for a minute. Can you imagine the description of someone trying to break into people's cars?
I'm not breaking anyone's car.
Put your hands behind your fucking back. You dumb bastard.
Oh my God! I'm just going to work!
Leave him the door.
Help me! I'm just going to work!
Get it.
I'm just going to work! Ow! Ow!
I don't know.
Ow! Please!
Yeah.
I'm getting picked up from work, please.
920.
Please help me.
Shut the fuck up.
Get up.
I'm going to work.
You're talking crazy.
No. No.
Shut the fuck up, dude. Get up.
No.
We're not talking.
I'm going to work.
Where are you?
I'm going to work.
Are you on camera breaking in the car?
No, I just get my dad's help.
I bet you are.
He lives right up there. What did I do wrong?
Hey, 348.
Please, I just didn't work.
Well, you're under arrest for obstruction, at least.
How? I literally just
You didn't
got
want
my dad's
to. You
help.
didn't want to fucking listen. Put your hand plane back. That's simple. Then I told you you're gonna end up on the ground. You still didn't do that.
I wasn't
Then your
trying
ass ended
to.
up on the ground. Didn't it?
I wasn't trying to.
Wasn't trying to.
I
How old are
wasn't trying to,
you?
please.
How old are you?
I'm 29.
You're older than me. Act like a fucking man.
I'm just trying to get to work. I'm seriously not trying to do anything, please.
I didn't stretch before any of this shit, man. Goddamn ball in the 10th hand. Oh, God. Right.
My wife likes to live in a car.
I don't think he actually got into a car. I dropped him on his head right there.
The sheriff's office later admits Tyler wasn't the suspect, but still, he's the one charged with obstruction. No apology, no accountability. Just $75,000 in medical bills and a lifetime of damage. Now, Tyler's attorneys are fighting back with a lawsuit because matching a vague description should never justify a broken body, and walking while wearing a hoodie should never be a crime. Another incident. She was 18, just graduated, driving to the beach to meet her friends, but instead of a sunny morning in North Myrtle Beach, Lanisha Hemingway found herself walking backward at gunpoint. 2 officers, guns drawn, commands shouted, no questions, no license check, just a stolen car alert and a teenager dragged into a nightmare. The kicker? They had the wrong car, the wrong person. And after the damage was done, no apology, no accountability, just silence.
It's not it.
Hands up! Hands up the window!
Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Hands up the window!
Driver! Use your hand to open the door! Use your hand to open the door! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Step out of the car, face away from me! Face away from me! Face away from me! Show me your hands! Walk back to the sound of my voice! Walk back to the sound of my voice! Walk backwards to the sound of my voice! Alright, stop! Stop! Get on your knees! Stay there. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Yeah, in just a second, alright? Give me a second. Alright. What? Alright. The fuck? Stand up.
Inside the vehicle, stop. Where you at?
I'm confused. So we got a hit that your car was stolen.
A hit that my car was stolen.
Yes.
Y'all can't put my registration in, everything.
Okay. Alright.
I'm only 18. Y'all
Alright.
just did this and then y'all put it out
Car's
on me.
report stolen, dear.
How my car's... Bro, let me call my mama. Let me call my mama. Did y'all even read the tags? No, y'all did not. Let me call my mama. And y'all got me in this fucking handcuffs. Like
Give me a
something wrong
second.
with y'all. And then gonna tell me to get down on my knees. This car ain't fucking stolen.
They put 2 guns in her face, slammed her to the ground, never asked for ID, never confirmed the plate. The city paid $250,000. But what about the trauma, the fear, the trust shattered at 18? No officers were fired, no one was disciplined. And Lanisha, she still hasn't gotten an apology. This wasn't just a mistake, it was a failure of training, of judgment, of basic humanity. So ask yourself, If this can happen to her, who's next? Watch the footage, read the lawsuit, and never forget, your rights don't disappear just because a cop got it wrong.